Good morning, students. Today we are starting class 12th biology chapter 24, blood circulatory system of human, and today's topic is first is introduction and second is blood. Once again, today we are starting class 12th biology chapter 24, blood circulatory system of human. Today's topic is introduction of blood circulatory system. Second is blood. First of all, first is introduction of blood circulatory system. All the cells of most of the multicellular organism like human do not have direct touch to the environment. Direct touch with the environment. With the environment. So there is need of a system which can fulfill the need of food supply and exchange of gases and can take away excretory material from a cell of environment. This system is called circulatory system. Once again, students, in the nature some organisms are unicellular, some are multicellular. Unicellular organisms directly touch with the environment, but multicellular organisms, all cells does not touch with the environment. So these organisms to have a specific system, these system to can fulfill the exchange of gases, food supply, and to take away the excretory material. This system is called circulatory system. Next is types of circulatory system. Mostly two types. First is open circulatory system Second is closed circulatory system. In humans, closed circulatory system. First is open circulatory system. First is, and second is closed circulatory system. Once again, first is open circulatory system, second is closed circulatory. First is open circulatory system. In this system, or in this type of system, circulation, a fluid circulates between cells and tissues and did not flow in special closed duct. Like examples is insect, it means arthropods. Next, in phylum Mollusca. Once again, if blood flow a specific closed duct-like structures, it is called closed circulatory system. But if blood did not flow in a special closed duct, it is called open circulatory system. Next, closed. In this type of circulatory system, transporting fluid, it means blood flows in closed duct like human, it means mammals. Once again, types of circulatory system: first open, second closed. In open, if flow of fluid did not in a special closed duct, but if blood flow in specific closed duct, it is called closed circulatory system. Next is blood. First is, it is a connective, it is a fluid connective tissue. It means in the nature, all things, all substance found in three forms: first solid, liquid and vapor form. So it is a phases of substance. It means blood in liquid form, it means fluid. Tissue, it means blood to have many carpules, many cells like RBC, WBC and platelets. So group of carpules is called tissue. Next, blood connect one organ to another organ, one cells to another cell, one tissue to another tissue. So blood is connective tissue. Next is amount of blood in human is 5 liter, approximately, or about 5 liter. Next is composition of blood. Mainly two parts of blood is, first is plasma, second is blood corpuscles. Once again, composition of bloods or parts of blood, mostly two parts. It means first is plasma, second is blood corpuscles. First part is plasma. Once again, it is a part of blood. Next, it forms about 55% part of blood. Next is composition of plasma. Students, plasma too have some organic and inorganic material. First is water, is about 90%. Function of is water is, first is transportation, next is regulation. Once again, regulation of blood pressure. Second content is organic material. First is albumin. It is a protein. Amount is 4.5%. Function is creation of osmotic pressure. Next is globulin. In humans, three types of globulin is alpha, beta and gamma. Amount is 2.5%. Alpha and beta to transport specific metals, but gamma antibody formation. Student, proper learn function of gamma globulin, antibody formation. Next is fibrinogen. It's 0.3%. Function is blood coagulation. It means blood clot. Next in some amount glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, some other enzymes. Next is urea, uric acids, glucose about 0.1%. Function is nutritive material. Next is amino acid, about 0.04%. It is nutritive material. Students, amino acid is a single unit of protein. Fatty acid is about 0.5%. It is nutritive material. Students, they are main content of balanced diet. Enzymes, urea, uric acids, they are 0.9%. Enzymes is in small quantity. It is biocatalyst. Next, urea, uric acid is regulation of pH. Next is third is inorganic. Materials in blood plasma. Many or several inorganic materials in blood plasma, like magnesium ion, potassium, sodium, calcium, chloride, bicarbonate, sulfate, etc. Students, many or several inorganic material in blood plasma like magnesium, it is a content of chlorophyll and to bind ribosome subunit, to regulate, to essential in nerve impulse, to regulate, to essential in nerve impulse. It is found in teeth and bones. It regulate ion balance. These are ion balance. These ions to balance the body ions. So thanks. Have a nice day. Next online classes we studied another part of blood is blood corpuscles. So thank